Welcome, students. In our previous class, we have discussed about the adventures of Toto, and we saw how grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver, and he paid 5 rupees. After that, we see the physical appearance of Toto. How did Toto look like? And what is the impact of his pearly white teeth on Anglo-Indian ladies we have seen. And after that we have seen that it was decided that the secret of Tutu would be remain away from grandmother. The reason is that whenever grandmother came to know that grandfather had bought a new pet, then she became angry. It was also decided that when grandmother would be happy or grandmother would be in good mood, then the secret of Toto would be revealed before grandmother. So up to this we have discussed. Now see, and lastly you must remember that Toto was kept into bedroom, and he was tied to a peg hook. He was tied to a hook. And now grandfather and narrator left the room. A few hours later, when grandfather and I came back to release Tutu, we found that the walls, which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather, now stood out as naked brick and plaster. The peg in the wall had been wrenched from its socket, and my school blazer, which had been hanging there, was in shreds. So this is the activity of Toto when he was left alone in the room. What did Toto? Toto had torn the ornamental paper that covered the wall, and now the wall looked naked. Means the brick and the plaster can be seen easily, otherwise it was covered with the ornamental paper, and that paper was torn by Toto. Second thing, we noticed that he was tied to a peg or hook. Now this hook had been taken away from the wall, and the school blazer of narrator had been wrenched, had been uh, put into several parts. It had been torn. The school blazer of narrator had been torn also. So this was the activity of narrator. Uh, this was the activity of Toto when he was alone in the room. I wondered what grandmother would say, but grandfather didn't worry. He seemed pleased with Toto's performance. So this is the performance of Toto, that he had torn ornamental paper from the wall. He had taken away the hook from the wall. He had torn a school blazer of narrator. So this is the performance of Toto. Narrator was not happy. Narrator was worried, but grandfather did not worry. It seemed that he was happy with Toto's performance. Grandfather said, "He is clever. He is clever," said grandfather. "Given time, I am sure he could have tied the torn pieces of blazer into a rope and made his escape from the window." So that was the expectation of grandfather, or we can say it was doubt of grandfather that monkey had left the room and he had tied the torn pieces of the blazer of the narrator into a rope, and finally he left the place where he was tied. तो यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं कि टोटो की परफॉर्मेंस क्या रहती है। टोटो जो है, जो वॉल डेकोरेटेड पेपर से कवर किया गया रहता है उसको अलग कर देता है। दूसरी चीज़ जो है, टोटो ने जो है जिस हुक से बंधा हुआ है उस हुक को अलग कर देता है वॉल से। तीसरी एक्टिविटी टोटो की होती है कि वो नरेटर के ब्लेज़र को कई टुकड़ों में स्प्रेड ये कर देता है, कई टुकड़ों में सेपरेट कर देता है, और फाइनली उन टुकड़ों की सहायता से एक रोप बनाता है और फाइनली रूम को छोड़ के भाग जाता है। दैट वाज द एक्टिविटी ऑफ टोटो। एंड यू सी, grandfather was not worried. It seemed that he was pleased with the Toto's performance. And grandfather also said one thing, that he is clever. Toto is clever monkey. His presence in the house is still a secret. His presence in the house is still a secret. Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servants' quarters, where a number of grandfather's pets lived with sociably together. A tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a squirrel, and for a while my pet goat. So these are the other pet animals. These are the pets of grandfathers who were kept in the servants' quarter. There was a big cage. So finally Toto was transferred to a big cage in servants' quarter, and in this big cage other animals were tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, and for a while my pet goat. But the monkey would not allow any of his companions to sleep at night. So grandfather, who had to leave Dehradun next day to collect his pension in Saharanpur, decided to take him along. So here you see, when Toto was transferred to a big cage, now he had to spend his night or his day with other pets in the big cage. Then he did not allow anyone to sleep at night. So monkey disturbed other pets. So monkey disturbed other pets also. So grandfather, who was going to Dehradun, decided to take Toto with him. So यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं कि जब टोटो को बिग केज में ट्रांसफ़र किया जाता है, जो कि सर्वेंट क्वार्टर में है, वहाँ पे और भी अदर पेट्स हैं, जिसमें टॉर्टाइज है, पेयर ऑफ रैबिट्स हैं, स्क्वायरल हैं और उसका पेट गोट है। ये सारे अदर्स एनिमल्स हैं, पेट्स हैं ग्रैंडफादर के जो केज में हैं। जब टोटो केज में आता है तो वो किसी भी कंपेनियन को रात में सोने नहीं देता है और उन्हें परेशान किए रहता है। तो फाइनली ग्रैंडफादर डिसाइड करते हैं that he will take Toto with himself. He was moving towards Dehradun in order to collect his pension. Unfortunately, I could not accompany grandfather on that trip. Meaning is this, that a narrator was not going with grandfather to Saharanpur, but he told me about it afterwards. So, what happened when Toto was with grandfather and moving towards Saharanpur? A big black canvas kit bag was provided for Toto. This, with some straw at the bottom, became his new abode, a new place. When the bag was closed, there was no escape. Toto could not get his hands through the opening. The canvas was too strong for him to bite his way through. His efforts to get out only had the effect of making the bag roll about on the floor or occasionally jump into the air, an exhibition that attracted a curious crowd of onlookers on the Dehradun railway platform. So here you see that it was decided that grandfather will take Toto with himself on his trip to Saharanpur in order to collect his pension. It was decided, and after that the arrangements were done how the Toto would be taken. Okay, how Toto would go, what arrangements had been done, that is described in the paragraph. So what happened? A big black canvas kit bag was provided for Toto. Some straw were put at the bottom, and the bag was closed now. And there was no escape. Means it was not easy for Toto to come out of the canvas kit bag. Toto could not get his hands through the opening. Even Toto could not get his hands out through the opening, and canvas was so strong for him to bite his way through. Means there is no possibility that Toto would come out of the bag. His efforts to get out only had the effect of making the bag roll about on the floor. So there is one possibility: if the bag rolled, then there is possibility that Toto would come out and or occasionally jumped into the air. If Toto jumped into the air, or if the bag jumped into the air, then there is a possibility that Toto would come out. सो हियर इन दिस पैराग्राफ हम देखते हैं कि ये डिसाइड किया जाता है कि ग्रैंडफादर जो है टोटो को अपने साथ ट्रिप पे ले जाएंगे, जो कि सहारनपुर जा रहे हैं पेंशन लेने के लिए। और इसके लिए अरेंजमेंट किया गया कि टोटो को कैसे हम लेके जाएंगे। एक बैग तैयार किया गया, बैग के नीचे स्ट्रॉ रखी गई और फिर बैग को क्लोज कर दिया जाए। इसके बाद टोटो को बाहर निकलने का कोई भी चांस नहीं है। उसमें कंडीशन बताई गई कि अगर बैग रोल करता है तो तब संभावना है कि टोटो क्या है बैग से बाहर आ सकता है, या बैग रोल करे एयर में या जंप करे, तब संभावना बन सकती है कि टोटो बाहर आ सके। सो दैट वाज द पॉसिबिलिटी दैट टोटो मे कम आउट ऑफ द बैग, अदरवाइज देयर इज नो पॉसिबिलिटी। Now, an exhibition that attracted curious crowd onlookers on the Dehradun railway platform. Now they reached at railway platform, Dehradun railway platform, and it was a very curious subject for everyone who was present there. That there was a bag and there was this Toto was there also. So it is just like an exhibition for the crowd. Okay, Toto remained in the bag as far as Saharanpur. But while grandfather was producing his ticket at the railway turnstile, Toto suddenly poked his head out of the bag and gave the ticket collector a wide grin. Wide grin here means wide smile. So what happened when grandfather reached Saharanpur and produced his ticket before the ticket collector at the railway turnstile? Then what happened? Toto looked out, poked his head out of the bag and gave the ticket collector a wide grin, wide smile. तो जब जहाँ सहारनपुर पहुँचते हैं और टोटो पहुँचता है वहाँ पे और ग्रैंडफादर टिकट प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, टिकट कलेक्टर को शो करते हैं, तो इसी बीच जो है टोटो बाहर देखता है बैग के. The poor man was taken aback. The poor man was startled. He was surprised. The poor man was surprised, taken aback. But with great presence of mind and much of grandfather's annoyance, he said, "Sir, you have a dog with you. You will have to pay for it accordingly." So, when Toto looked towards the ticket collector, then he was surprised. He was startled. And he saw the Toto minutely. And finally, he said to grandfather, "Sir, you have a dog with you, so you have to pay for it accordingly." In vain did grandfather take Toto out of the bag. In vain did he try to prove that a monkey did not qualify as a dog or even as a quadruped. Toto was classified as a dog by the ticket collector, and 3 rupees was the sum handed over as his fare. So grandfather thought that it is useless to show or to prove that this is not a dog, this is a monkey. Okay, so grandfather decided not to put himself in this trouble to prove that this is not a dog, this is a monkey. He decided to pay the fare of Toto, so he finally gave 3 rupees for Toto. सो हियर वी सी, यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं कि ग्रैंडफादर डिसाइड करते हैं कि हम इस बात पे क्यों पढ़ें कि ये टोटो जो है मंकी है, ये टोटो जो है डॉग नहीं है. इसमें पढ़ने के बजाय उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि हम क्या करते हैं, उसको इसका फेयर देने का डिसाइड करते हैं, और ग्रैंडफादर पे 3 रुपीज़. देन ग्रैंडफादर जस्ट टू गेट हिज ओन बैग took from his pocket. Then grandfather, just to get his own bag, took from his our pet tortoise and said, what must I pay for this, since you charge for all animals?" The ticket collector looked closely at the tortoise, prodded with his forefinger, gave grandfather a pleased and triumphant look, and said, "No charge, it is not a dog." So grandfather produced another pet animal, that is tortoise, and said, "What must I pay for this tortoise?" Then ticket collector looked closely at the tortoise, prodded with his finger. He patted tortoise with his finger, and he gave grandfather a pleased and triumphant look and said, "No charge, it is not a dog." तो फाइनली यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं कि ग्रैंडफादर दूसरे एक छोटा एनिमल टॉर्टॉइज उसको प्रोड्यूस करता है और बोलता है, "देखो ये क्या है, टॉर्टॉइज है." टिकट कलेक्टर उसको बहुत ध्यान से देखता है और कहता है, "ठीक है, इसका कोई भी चार्ज नहीं हुआ क्योंकि ये डॉग नहीं है." सो दैट वाज द थिंग विच वी हैव सीन हियर, स्पेशली in this paragraph. Now, when Toto was finally accepted by grandmother, when Toto was finally accepted by grandmother, he was given a comfortable home in the stable, where he had for a companion the family donkey Nana. On Toto's first night in the stable, grandfather paid him a visit to see if he was comfortable. To his surprise, he found Nana without apparent claws, pulling at her halter and trying to keep her head as far as possible from a bundle of hay. So here we see that grandmother accepted Toto as a pet, and he was given a comfortable home in the stable, and there he had one companion, namely donkey Nana. On Toto's first night in the stable, grandfather paid him a visit to see if he was comfortable. So when Toto got a comfortable home in the stable, then grandfather visited there to see whether he was comfortable or not. To his surprise, he found Nana without apparent cause, pulling at her halter. So when grandfather visited the place where Toto was kept, then he found that he uh, was pulling at her halter and trying to keep her head as far as possible from a bundle of hay. So there was a bundle of hay, and Nana was trying to go and get the bundle of hay. And what this monkey was doing? The monkey was pulling, trying to keep her head as far as possible from bundle of hay. तो हम देखते हैं कि जब टोटो पहुंचता है कहाँ पे, उसको कंफर्टेबल होम दिया जाता है स्टेबल में, जहाँ पे उसका कंपेनियन डंकी है जिसका नाम नाना है। तो ग्रैंडफादर पहुंचते हैं, देखिए वहाँ पे कंफर्टेबली रह रहा है कि नहीं। तो पाते हैं कि कर क्या रहा है, नाना को पकड़ के खींच रहा है, उसके हेड को पकड़ खींच रहा है कि सामने बंडल ऑफ गे है, वहाँ पे नाना पहुँचने की कोशिश करता है, तो खींच रहा है। ही वॉज ट्राइंग टू पुल। Grandfather gave a Nana a slap across her haunches and she jerked back, dragging Toto with her. He had fastened onto her long ears with his sharp little teeth. Toto and Nana never became friends. So that was the another activity of whom Toto. And when Toto was kept in a stable, there was his companion Nana, and they never became friends. Okay, so that was the part which we have discussed. Okay, so thank you.